Good afternoon, amigos. Good afternoon. It's about 1:25. I have been up this morning since about 6 o'clock because I had my first meeting at a 7:30 breakfast. I met with a couple of people, which it was really fun to do because we talk about strategies and how we can work together. So I decided to do this info because there's many new friends on my Facebook, and I just wanted to tell you welcome and tell you a little bit about why Rosie Paulsen, where is Rosie movement, and how did it start. Okay, so in 2015, I had opened my agency already, and I was looking into going into business consulting with my company, Rosie Paulsen Enterprises. And I was one of those business owners that believed that social media was not a tool that I can use for my business. So because I was always asked where I'm going to be next, I was into a lot of networking. I came up with this idea of just find where is Rosie. So I started posting all my tags and my check-ins with the where is Rosie, and within 2 months, people were coming to me at events and asking me, hey, where's Rosie? I found Rosie. And that's when I realized the power of social media for your business. So what is the Where is Rosie movement? Where is Rosie is a community-led newsletter where we feature local events from your community. The goal of this newsletter is just give another avenue for a small business to succeed. That goes with my passionately helping business owners succeed slogan that comes from understanding by my own experience how hard it is to put an event together and make sure the right people comes to your business, and just giving, again, another helping hand to a business owner that sometimes is overwhelmed by everything that you have to do when you own a business owner, when you own a business by yourself, an entrepreneur. Collaboration is very important because the more people know that you are in the community and you let them know that you're there, the community really does want to help you. They do understand that they want you to be in business. So it's just about having that gift. In my case, that is what I call my gift, is to connect and make people feel welcome. So when they come to my events, which I do have a signature event called Cafecito with Rosie, which means Coffee with Rosie. It's just gathering of business owners, community leaders, and elected officials that they come together with the same understanding and the same goal of, hi Chris, the same goal of getting to know each other. So that's actually how the Where is Rosie movement started. Now, what are the requirements? So when I go to an event or when I participate in an event, it's an event that I have been involved and engaged from the beginning. So I know what the event is going to accomplish. I know who's running the event and what is going to be the end result of the event. I will not say that I'm in every single event, although in my social media, it might look like that. I'm very picky about who and what I get involved with, because once I get involved, I give you about 110% of my energy and my expertise and skills. So you can invite me to all of your events, and that is fine. I love that. But the reality is, in order for it to be something where I put it as a priority, I have to be engaged on that from the beginning. So my suggestion is get involved, register to my newsletter, opt in. I am putting it on the comments, so you can just click in and become part of the Where is Rosie movement. I want to invite you to my events, so you can follow me in social media, go to my events, and my list of the events where I will be are going to be there. I usually also put post on my LinkedIn with all my events, and they have the link in my newsletter also. Get involved that way. And then when you are at the event, let me know that you're there, and definitely take a selfie together, which is one of my signature ways. Everybody wants to take a selfie with Rosie, and we hashtag it I Found Rosie. And it just brings awareness to the community of what we're doing. And just be supportive of other business owners. Stay pure. And the other slogan that is my business tagline, passionately helping a small business succeed. But my personal tagline is pure, positive, inspiring ideas, which is what my goal in life is to inspire you to do something different, although it might be a little bit scary at the very beginning. I want you to have courage to try something new every single day. That is what the Rosie Paulsen Enterprises is all about. And just in the comments of this video is the opt-in for the newsletter. I'm looking forward to get to know you better. Catch me at one of my next events. Let's take a selfie together and tag it. It's a hashtag I Found Rosie. Thank you so much for watching. This is Rosie Paulsen from Novel Riverwalk in downtown Tampa. Stay inspired. Ciao.